This is a 3-pack of the ergonomic bar stools that you're looking for. Now, my island is 35 inches tall, and these are the perfect height for these, coming in at 26 inches. It gives me the perfect height to be able to eat dinner, breakfast, hang out with friends and family, and feel totally comfortable. Now, one thing that's special about these bar stools is they have 105-degree ergonomic backrest. So on the back of this, it is going to be angled perfectly so that you can last sitting in your chair a long time without feeling fatigued and hanging out with friends and family, no problem. Another thing I like about these chairs is they're going to have an anti-tip kit on the bottom, and it's also going to have some protection so when you're sliding this on the floor, it's not going to scratch your hardwood surfaces, and I don't have to worry, and I love that. Now, these are going to be the light gray color, and they also are going to be featured in a dark gray, so you can pick one that's going to match your aesthetic and your preference perfectly. Now, we also get the 360-degree rotation on these bar stools, which is amazing if you're entertaining and having friends and family. You can be included in the conversation in multiple different directions, and it just makes it really nice. I think the seating on here is perfect because it is very wide, it's spacious, and we also get 3.5 inches of a high-density foam in here that's going to be very, very supportive when you're sitting on here. It's definitely a very comfortable chair on my bottom and my back, and I totally love that. Now, on the bottom, it's going to feature a footrest for your feet that's going to be absolutely a perfect height for you, and it just makes you totally comfortable. And one thing that really makes this chair stand out is these footrests is going to be all the way around. So no matter if you want to rotate and talk to somebody over here, you have a footrest, same on the back, and then the same for the other side. So no matter where you are in the conversation, you can definitely stay comfortable in these chairs. The fabric is also very high quality and moisture wicking, so it's going to keep you very comfortable when you're sitting in the chair. And this fabric looks really good too. When I was assembling these chairs, it probably took me about 10 minutes or less per chair, and that would equal to about 30 minutes for all three. These bar stools are going to be pet friendly, pill resistant, and very soft to the touch, making them an absolute perfect choice for any home. I also love the high quality black metal on here. It has a nice powder coat finish that looks amazing against the light gray. Definitely my aesthetic. You can also get these in a 2, a 3-pack, or a 4-pack, making it optimal for most customers. At the end of the day, I highly recommend these if you're looking for a really nice bar stool that's gonna have amazing contrast, very comfortable and durable. Add these to your cart today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.